Okay, you can see some eggs here. These are the eggs of the black soldier flies. So what happens is when they lay the eggs on these ones, the eggs, they fall into this substrate. When they hatch, yes, we use masese for this. When they hatch, so matone ma small maggots for black soldier. See these ones. These are about 6 days old. So these ones they just grow. In about 2 weeks, they will stop feeding. Then for 3 weeks, they will be still at the pupa stage. Then after 3 weeks, they develop a harder shell. After 3 weeks, that's when they turn into flies again. When we are not harvesting them or making any feed, we're just breeding them so that they just multiply. So all these ones, they already have small maggots. Flies like this, they don't even eat for anything. They just drink water.
Just water without anything?
No, they just eat like this for 2 weeks. Then that's it. When they turn into the pupa level, they don't eat.
Water only.
No, at the pupa stage they don't eat. They don't even eat anything.
Okay.
They'll just be
Before
idle.
they turn into larva.
Before they turn into flies.
After flies, okay.
Yeah. When they turn into flies, that's when they just drink water.